Have you ever wished someone would just think of you, miss you, maybe even text you out of nowhere? Well, psychology tells us it's not magic, it's science. Today, we're going to explore how to make someone miss you using proven psychological facts. This isn't manipulation. It's understanding human behavior at its core. Here's the first truth. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. It's not just a quote, it's backed by psychology. When you give someone space, not chasing, not over-texting, you allow their mind to wander back to you. The brain values what it starts to lose. So if you're always available, they might take you for granted. But when you step back a little, their brain starts to notice your absence and misses your presence. Ever heard of the Zeigarnik Effect? It's the tendency of the brain to remember unfinished business more than completed ones. This means when you leave a conversation on an interesting note or walk away while things are still fun, they'll keep thinking about it. The human brain wants closure. So if you want to live rent-free in someone's head, don't give everything at once. Let the mystery stay alive. 3 people don't miss you as much as they miss how you made them feel. This is called emotional imprinting. Make someone laugh. Make them feel seen, heard, understood. Create moments of emotional highs. Those are the things their brain attaches to you. Even if you're not around, that feeling pulls them back to the memory of you. That's how missing begins. Humans are wired to desire what's scarce. When you're too available, you signal abundance, and abundant things lose value. But when you show that your time, energy, and presence are selective, people start to crave it. You don't need to be cold, just don't be too easy. Let them earn a place in your world. Psychology says we value what we work for. Our brains have mirror neurons, meaning we subconsciously mimic the energy around us. So if you're confident, self-assured, emotionally grounded, people will feel that too. And long after you leave, their mind will echo your vibe. They'll remember the peace, the warmth, the charm. This is why working on your inner self, your energy, is the most powerful way to make someone miss you without trying. So if you want someone to think of you, miss you, even come back to you, don't chase. Instead, create impactful memories, protect your energy, and understand the psychology of distance and desire. Because in the end, it's not about being constantly present, it's about being unforgettable.